Alrighty, so I just wanted to go over some of the positives and negatives on this Bad Boy Revolt SD 2025. So the biggest thing that I didn't like was this right here. So as you can tell, the deck is actually a lot smaller than what the wheelbase are, so you have to double cut everything, which kind of is counterproductive. You can push more probably faster, which I found out. Ended up selling it for something a little bit better. Scag 36 is definitely going to be the move, but you can tell that it can cut really good, right? So like, even if it's really thick, all that stuff, you can completely take it down. So like, I get why people really count this as a commercial mower, but I mean, whenever it's super tall, like any mower, you're not going to be able to get through all of it. But as you can tell with that 18.5 horsepower engine, you're not going to have any issues with like clogging, stuff like that. You can completely take it down. So if you do a bunch of overgrown stuff, I mean, this is the move. I had it for about a year and a half, put 200 hours on it, and it worked well. But I'm a personal fan of the Scag. Though, honestly, you can tell the biggest thing is that if you're looking at something at a price perspective, warranties, everything, that's like right on the same ballpark. So right here, you got the value of the Bad Boy mowers versus the like V-Ride 36 or something in comparison. I mean, realistically, you're paying like $3,000 to $4,000 more, and like overall, right here, you're going 9 miles per hour on the 34-inch. It's got integrated transaxle hydro gear ZT 2800s. My personal opinion, I don't really like anything past or under like a 3400 because you can really tell a big difference. Um, Now the thing is like the V-Ride system, the separated pumps, the Parker wheel system, motors, it's just heavier deck qualities. I'm a firm believer on the Advantage and Velocity decks for sure. But I mean, realistically, I can still stripe out anything with that 34-inch. It's just you're gonna have that mohawk effect, and you have to go back and double cut it. That's why I ended up selling it. So maybe on the 36 version of that Revolt Bad Boy, it would be a good pick. So 6-inch V-Ride. Whenever it comes to like the engine, you're literally getting a difference of like 0.5 horsepower, which really doesn't make a difference. Same exact engine. So it is going to weigh a little bit more, 100 pounds. That's because of that velocity deck. Realistically, Scag, is going to make a more high quality material along the whole entire deck. It's literally built like a tank. That's what they're known for. Whenever it comes to the overall dealer support, I mean, it's pretty much the same as Bad Boy as well. Um, you're getting a little bit bigger of the tires on the Bad Boy 34, but like I said before, that creates kind of an issue on the striping, so you have to kind of double stripe. So now if we do a comparison on like a Revolt 36 with that 36, just so it's a fair comparison, um, realistically, you can do all different types of engine options, but right out the gate, the 36 regular Revolt is going to have a little bit more horsepower than the V-Ride. Um, it does have a 3100 integrated transaxle system, so I mean it's really like literally right there and there. It's just a single hydro though, so you don't have the dual hydro pumps, which are very nice for maintenance and stuff. But whenever you come down to a price point of like $4,000 to $5,000 more, you really kind of toss it up. It's about the same, miles per hour. You get 9, you get 8.5 on the V-Ride. Um, Fuel looks exactly the same. The deck, obviously the Advantage, you win on that no matter what. It does weigh a little bit more based on that 36. The 36 is about like 80 pounds less at 722. The suspension, obviously 100% V-Ride is going to win on that. So realistically, user comfort, is it worth more 4,000 than just getting the Bad Boy Revolt 36 series?